Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. We show about get, post, delete and put methods in previous videos. Still, if you don't watch that videos, you can see that videos from the playlist. In this video, we will see about patch endpoint. So when we are using to patch endpoints in our application, so we will learn about patch endpoint. So let's get started. Okay, so main thing is what is the use of the patch endpoints. In the previous video, we see that edit and products we use that put endpoints. In the put endpoints, we added a whole object. If we want only the change of the any amount, so we require to pass the whole object, and then we can update the particular record in the put endpoints. But for example, if you want to change only some properties, not the whole object, so we can use the patch endpoints. That is the main benefit of the patch endpoints. You just need to pass the particular properties which is required to update. Okay, so for example, in this product we just want to update this phone prices 499 to the 5999. So at that moment we just need to pass the phone price 599. No required to send the id phone id name and price all together. We just need to pass the property of the price. So let's start it. For that, first we will update in our program.cs file. For this we will use one Newtonsoft JSON package. So for that I am adding the Newtonsoft JSON package. So for that we will use that Newtonsoft JSON package. So here I using this Microsoft ASP.NET Core.MVC Newtonsoft JSON package. Okay, so we install the Newtonsoft JSON package here, and now we are moving to the program.cs file, and we will adding that Newtonsoft package JSON. Okay, so here I add the new Newtonsoft JSON because we are using that patch method, so we need to use this add Newtonsoft JSON here. Now we will create a new HTTP function which will require the Newtonsoft package implementation. Okay, so I'm going here, I'm creating new endpoints which will be a HTTP patch. Okay, in the HTTP patch we will use JSON patch property. Here we will use JSON patch document, and our model is a product, so we can use a product here, and this is our patch document. Okay, so this is our patch document. In the patch document we will get the proper properties, like we required only to change the amount, so we will get the amount property here. So first we can check that if these properties are null, then we can return bad request. So bad request will return the 400 status code. Okay, and you can pass some message here if you wants to uh, add here, like request is not proper. So this will be display on the response of the this bad request 400. Okay, now we will get our products. First we will fetch our product. So for that we will can copy this one product. Okay, and now how to apply this to this particular product? We have to use this apply to property of this patch document. So this patch document dot apply to, and here is a product and model state. Okay, so this is our change. The patch document will apply these uh, changes onto our existing product object, and for that we can return our original product here to identify the changes. Okay, now let's build and run again. So in the patch property, we have some certain methods for replace the particular property, add the property, right? So here we are using the replace the property, and in the Swagger we can see that. Go to the Swagger patch endpoint, try it, and you can see the operation type, right? Path, OP, from, and value. Okay, so mainly for replacing the property we require the path. Okay, so which is the path? Path means your property. So here our property is the price, so we have to pass slash price. Okay, and this is a JSON format, so we can use the camel format. Okay, so this is the price, and the property path will start with the slash. So if you want to change the name, you have to pass the slash name. What is the relation, means what is the operation here? So operation is the replace, so I am updating as a replace. And what is the value? No required from every time, so we just wants to update our value. So here I am updating the value as uh, 599. So our previous value was 499, and now we are updating as a 599, and the id is the id is 2. Okay, id is 2. Now execute it, and now we can see that latest object is 599. Also we can fetch this in our get endpoint to verify it. Yeah, in this one also it's a 599. So this is the main purpose of the patch endpoint, to update a proper way to a single property or multiple properties without sending the whole object. In the put endpoint, mostly we have to use the first we need to get the whole object, and then we have to pass the full object with the updated values. So that is the one thing for the put endpoint. In the patch endpoint, we can use here for the smaller changes, for the if we have the project like we wants to update some settings, right? So the few settings we have to update, not required to update the whole model. So that time we can use this patch endpoint. So two or three properties we can update by a patch endpoint. So this is the main purpose of the patch endpoint. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and still if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe it for the more videos look like this. Thank you. Happy coding.